Hello, I'm Lucy and I'm doing this video for volunteering for the Boys and Girls Club, and today I'm going to do a arts and crafts on how to make a transforming ninja star. So at first you're going to need 8 pieces of square paper. The size is up to your preference. Once you have the paper, you fold it diagonally and make a crease. Then you unfold it and do the same on the other side. Then you unfold, you take the top, and you fold it down to the bottom to make a horizontal crease. And then you unfold again. And after this, you will take a corner and you fold it down to the middle. You make a crease. And then you do the same on the other corner. After you do this, you're going to fold this piece of paper in half. Like this. And then you're gonna see the crease we already made here. You're gonna make a inverse fold. You're gonna open this part up and then you're gonna squash it down. So like this. And then you take it and you squash it down. Then you make a crease. And after, you'll take this corner and you fold this together in half. And that is how you make one piece of this. And after you have multiple pieces, you're going to connect them together like this. You're going to have them to both face like this with this part opening in the back. You open this up and you take this, put it in the middle. And you see these leftover flaps? You take them and you fold them inwards to connect to the piece, like this. And after you make it for the rest of them, it'll look like this. So now the final step is to connect them all together. So you take them inside. It might take a little while to get them all connected correctly, so it will take some patience. But once you have it, this will be your final product. So if you push the pieces inwards, you see that they'll all slide together and it'll make her into a ninja star. And the pieces still sometimes fall out, so it may take some readjusting. It'll be like this. And of course, you could unfold it by just pulling the pieces out gently. It's made out of paper, so you have to be gentle with this. And there you go.